Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. So from my video title you already know my today's color theme and my nail art topic. So without any delay, let's start with my tutorial. Here I am applying 2 coats of a turquoise nail polish as a base polish on my nails. After base polish I am doing gradient with turquoise and teal color on my index and middle finger nail. After gradient, here I am applying a quick dry top coat to smooth the surface. Now let's start with Van Gogh's Almond Blossom. I have already drawn base of a tree branches with a white acrylic paint soft camera. Now I am filling the branches with a creamy light green color. Now I am detailing the branches with a green color which is 3 to 4 shades darker than actual branch color. I'm done with branches. Now I need a break. Let me take a sip of my tea. So refreshing. Now let's start with flowers. Here I am drawing flowers with a white color which has a tint of green color. I have added a photo of color chart in my video so you can understand which colors I used to draw almond blossom. On my ring and pinky fingernail I am applying a turquoise shade Holo laser glitter powder. Finally, lots of hard work. Here I am applying a glossy top coat to seal my design and add a beautiful shine. And here is my final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.